You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name. It's a name of German origin, famous for being the name of a rather renowned German-born British psychologist. If you want to learn more names from psychology, stay tuned. The German pronunciation, also English, Eysenck. I see there's another video here on YouTube that says it's pronounced Eysenck. No, Eysenck is how you normally pronounce it. I mean, some families may pronounce it Eysenck. If that's your case, let us know in the comments. But generally speaking, the pronunciation is Eysenck. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.